This is my quick review of these Sony WF-510 earbuds. I'll tell you what I liked about them and what I disliked. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you unbox them, you're gonna notice that the only thing that is included in the box are the earbuds inside of the case and some additional ear tips in this small box, like that. You do not get any charger and you do not get any cable. You'll have to provide your own cable when time will come to charge these. And these are getting charged using a USB Type-C cable. Right in the back over here, this is where the port is. Connect the cable and connect the other one in your computer, or if you have a charger like this one, well, connect it here. And if they are at 0% charge, it will take about an hour and a half until they are fully charged at 100%, which is not bad. Unfortunately, they are not able to fast charge like other earbuds, but since these are entry level, it's quite normal. I really liked how easy it was to pair them with a smartphone or even a computer. Basically, you just need to put them in, press this pair button on the back until you see a blue light flashing. Go ahead, add them in your Bluetooth device list from your Bluetooth device list, and this is about it. It takes under a minute to pair them. Another positive point of these earbuds, they're very easy to use. Another positive is that both of these have buttons on them. So once you put them in ear, it's very easy to adjust multiple settings by pressing these buttons. You can play, pause, skip, go to the next song, answer a call, but also change the volume. It's a bit more complicated. You need to press 4 times on the right side if you want to make the volume louder, and 4 times on the left side if you prefer making it quieter. But it's still nice to have this option. A thing that I found missing is they do not have any noise cancellation. They have a transparency mode, which means that you'll be able to hear what's happening around you, the ambient sound. You can enable this by pressing once on the left side earbud. It's a feature that wasn't previously available in entry-level earbuds, so I find this very welcoming. But still, I wish they would have included some sort of noise cancellation, even a basic one. You can also download the Sony Sound Connect app on your phone, Android or iPhone, where you're gonna have access to more features. You'll be able to change certain things that you cannot do without the app. Unfortunately, this app sometimes works, sometimes it takes time to connect. Like over here, you see it's supposed to connect, but it does not. I have to put them in the case. Once the app is working, it's very easy. And you see over here, we have an EQ settings. This is very interesting. By pressing here, you can adjust through different EQ. And you can even create your own by pressing the cogwheel and changing stuff. If you prefer listening music with a lot of bass, simply higher the bass level over here. If you find that your music has too much bass, you can lower it as well. So this is very customizable and I really like this feature. Sound quality was great, and since you can change the EQ settings, you can adjust it so it sounds even better.